Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to talk about the OnePlus Nord CE device which has got recently launched in the Amazon website. So this video is regarding the initial impressions about the OnePlus Nord CE 5G device. So in case if you want me to buy the smartphone, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I can do that for you all. So that is the reason, main purpose of making this kind of video. I do want the feedback from you all. So if you are interested in the OnePlus Nord CE or not, so I did order my iQOO Z3 smartphone. I think it's gonna come maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow very soon. I'm eagerly waiting for that iQOO Z3 processor to mainly to check the multitasking and a lot of speed test and the performance results. So in case if you are interested in this OnePlus Nord device, definitely I can buy the smartphone in case if you are interested. So only depending upon the comments and the feedback, I'm trying to buy the smartphones, not just like that. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you are interested. And the one thing is that the phone comes with a Snapdragon 750G processor, as you can clearly see friends, and which has got a 90Hz AMOLED display. So nowadays we are seeing a lot of phones they are introducing with the 120Hz, and still the OnePlus is still following a little bit kind of 90Hz refresh rate at this point. And they did include the 64 megapixel camera lens and 4500 mAh of battery. That is another good thing for this kind of price range, I would say, from the OnePlus device. And 30 watts of fast charging as well. That's quite low when compared with other companies. They are introducing 55 watts and 65 watts, but let's see what will be the speed in terms of the charging. And one more thing, even the 5G as well. And I need to, in case if I'm planning to buy this smartphone, I need to check the connectivity with the 4G plus aggregation mainly. That is my main focus will be there on this OnePlus Nord device. And another thing, main thing which attracts me is that the slimness of this phone, as you can see friends, and the weight of the phone as well. The OnePlus Nord has got only 170 grams. So OnePlus Nord CE, that's really good, 170 grams. So if you compare with other smartphones like the Realme X1 Max device, so which has got I think close to 179 grams. So this really less weight even than that phone as well. And you do have the 3.5mm jack along with that. And the OnePlus, they did mention that 0 to 70% in the 30 minutes it can charge from 0 to 70%. That is another thing which we can take a look here. So do let me in the comments below friends in case if you want me to buy this smartphone or should I skip this phone. So make sure to let me know in the comments below. And what are the other devices you want me to buy? I did order the iQOO Z3. If you want Poco M3 Pro 5G, so do let me in the comments below. Definitely I can do that as well. So this is a quick review friends on the OnePlus Nord CE update. I just want to know how many users are actually interested in me buying this phone and reviewing and comparing with other smartphones. So make sure to definitely comment below. I will be waiting for your comments. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. And make sure to check the recently uploaded videos on following smartphones. As you can clearly see, that will be really interesting for you all. And overall my impressions about this phone is that the processor should have been slightly more, and the refresh rate also should have been slightly more, and the fast charging also slightly more. But the price is slightly less when compared with other OnePlus phones. That is the reason I'm kind of okay with this kind of price from the OnePlus. But still, these are the few things which are lacking in the OnePlus Nord, which I do feel right now, like high refresh rate and fast charging and slightly higher better processor and speed processor as a future-proof option. So thank you for watching this video friends, and if I buy, then I'll be able to test the performance and I can give you the kind of confidence that whether to buy or not. So do let me in the comments below, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, see you, stay tuned, stay safe, bye.